Hello and welcome to Quassi's Bell Tower with your host, Quassi. And today we're going to open up a new RPG crate. Before we get to it, let me show you this shirt. So this is the Walking Undead. Don't want to copy a TV show, wink wink. But overall, the text looks just like it. I love the undead. I love the undead cow and the undead warthog there. And I guess that's probably a farmer, but that's a really cool shirt. I really like this. I can't wait to wear this during the whole fall and Halloween season. So now that you've seen the t-shirt, let's move on to the box opening. Yeah, I lost my footage somewhere in time and space. I lost like half of it. So I'm gonna redo this video again. And the miniature's already out of the box, just to let you know. But let's move on and let's do this again. So first of all, this is the May 2020 RPG crate. This is called Mastery of the Hunt, The Blighted. This is season 4, crate number 46. And we'll come back to this and make sure we got everything. Next, we have our Mastery of the Hunt Campfire Mushrooms. And then on the back, there's a little camp. And I'll explain that a little bit more, but it looks like basic recipes. Yeah, nothing really different or special about it. So eventually, like I said, I would like to make these. And Mr. Cricket, you need to stop. So next is our miniature, and this is from Reaper Bones, and this is the guest. Next we have our Dungeon Lore cards, and this one is Tripwire Trap, Simple Trap, Dangerous Threat, level 7 to 11. I will show a close-up of that. And this artwork is done by Chet Minton, which is an awesome artist. He has a Facebook page and a Patreon page, and he's actually got a website and everything else, so go check out his Facebook page and all that info will be there, and go check it out, man. Next we have the Blighted Treant, and here is a close-up of that. And the artwork is still done by Chet. And then it also comes with, where did I just put that? There it is. One of the player mini cards, and that's that. Nothing quite special about it. Just on the back it's got everything where you can put the stats and everything else. And next we have, it looks like, our 3 adventures. Let me make sure I got these bad boys in order. And I do now, I think. Yeah, I do. Okay, so we have the Old Muddy Farms. That's a cool little picture. Maybe I'll do a close-up of it. And then we have the Ranger Camp, which is the same thing that was on the recipe card for your destination. And then we have the Fetid Explorer Valley, at least that, I think that's how it's pronounced, I could be wrong. And then on the back we've got a little, I don't know, slime monster, or I'm not sure what that is. I kind of want to look that up now. It's a blighted zombie maybe, just covered in slime. I'm not really going to get into detail about it all, but that's that. Let's see if I can do a close-up of it for you guys later on. And then we have our adventure book. This is the 5th edition adventure Wicked Cauldron, and this is done by Troll Lord Games. That is the front cover. There is 40 pages, and I'm just going to try to flip through this just to get you some decent pictures. Instead of just, we won't do the maps, we'll skip the maps this time, guys. The maps aren't anything that interesting. There is a cool looking monster. I think he's one of the main monsters at the end, I think. I could be wrong. Here looks like a orc or a, yeah, it looks like an orc or maybe even a big old troll right there fighting some human. Okay. There's one. We've got this lady with looks like maybe some goblins or kobolds or whatever around her. And I think that's gonna be it for the artwork, except a full picture of the one monster that they have here in this book. So that is it out of this box, but let's double check. This, we have the t-shirt, the monster lore, the indicator tracker, which was the little card there, the dungeon lore, that was the trap, the mastery of the hunt, the blighted, and our 3 adventures there, the recipe card, and the wicked cauldron. It is all there. I'm really digging the t-shirt. This is really awesome. I love this. Everything else looks pretty cool. The figure's cool. I'm sure the missions on this will be quite interesting for the quest and everything else. And I kind of like this one, and I'm digging it. So I'm gonna give it an A. Oh. So that's it. Until next time, and remember, ring that like button like a hunchback. Until next time.